Hello, this is an all black HPBC solar module. Let's look at it. All black, black flame. Now the solar radiance is 743, and the power is 97. Okay, let's see closely, and let's check the temperature. The temperature is 45. No, sorry, it's 51.6. 51. Okay. Now this is all black. Today, its sunshine is not stable. So this is a module rated 130 at STC standard test condition. Okay. Now let's see how it perform when partial shaded. Okay. I put it here. Okay, but it still has 34. Let's put it here. I think I should put it like this. Well, let's read. 675, and 3 strings, all 4 strings are partial shaded. Add some leaves. Let's read. It's 660. And what's the power rated? 55. Okay. That's why you should use HPBC modules. Okay, it really performs well under partial shaded conditions.